Okay, what we have here is a 1998 Ford Crown Victoria P71. It's a former police vehicle from the American state of Indiana, and we're going to have a bit of a look at the interior and outside. The first thing that strikes you is it's very authentic. A lot of the equipment is as it was back home on the other side of the world, 10,000 miles away. You've got your computer there, you've got your radios. Some of the equipment has been modified or replaced, but for the most part it's very original. In order to get into the back, you have to push this button here, which unlocks the rear doors. Obviously a police feature. And then in the inside you'll notice it has been upgraded with a conventional rear seat. You can also see these holes here in the B-pillar where there was previously a full partition installed. This car is just going on about 100,000 miles. The equipment on top of the dash there is the radar detector. Under the bonnet you got the 4.6 litre modular single overhead camshaft V8, which runs through a 4-speed automatic transmission column shift, driving the rear wheels. As you can see, she runs beautifully. Now let's be honest, we want to see the light show, so alright, here we go. This equipment up here is for the camera, which currently is not fitted. So what you've got here is you've got your strobes in the headlamps and tail lamps. You've got your strobes in the windscreen and the rear screen there. The main overhead lights. 2 lights, clear lights on either side. And this is the center light in the overhead light bar. And then of course you've got your spotlight. So let's see how that looks. We've got the strobes and the headlamps. There we go. That's just them there. It all looks pretty cool at night. And your headlamp strobes. The spotlight can be operated by hand, as you can see, and switches off like so. You've got your AM/FM radio, and the boot release button is here. Lots of condensation there, as you can see. Quite a big boot. These cars apparently don't have a spare wheel because in the States there's a guy who comes out and changes the spare wheel for you wherever you are. As you can see here, there's no security at all for the fuel filler. That just opens and closes by hand. So there you have it, one of the only Ford Crown Victorias in Australia, and here it is.